Hello everyone and welcome to Cornwell Garage. My name is Ben Cornwell and today we're going to get started on the assembly of this 1984 Honda XL600R Dual Sport. Alright, so how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to transfer all these parts onto this bare frame. I've got some used parts from the bike already. I've cleaned the carburetor. I've cleaned the air box and resealed it up. I've got some new handlebars. Some Enduro high ones. I'm really excited. They're Renthals. I think Renthal should really go on Honda. Anyway, let's get into this assembly. There we go. Okay, that was the first trip in the course of, I'm sure, many, to go get some bolts and nuts for this thing. Check out these carbs. They were full of dirt, sadly. I got them clean, working. There's a new air cutoff valve in the center. This is just a plate, or a block off, or cutoff plate. There's no actual cutoff valve in this model on this side. Other than that, everything's fresh and ready with brand new jets of the same size of what was in it before. I'm going to grab a strap from the truck and I'm going to try to get a little bit fancy with it here. I'm going to lift the back end up because it'll no longer be sitting on my dump truck drum. That sounds sick. Anyway, I'm going to ratchet it up until it's a comfortable spot to work on, and then I'll put this rear tire on. There we go. The drum kind of key right here. Battery. Deleted turn signals. That's nice. Check these out. This is the foot pegs I went with. They're the IMS Core Enduro ones. They fit on here pretty well. You just need a spacer from the hardware store. The part number, share with you guys, right here, actually is for a KLR. That is hence why you need that spacer in there. Beyond that, they actually fit really well. The jiggle just a hair, but you get that sweet IMS lifetime warranty and a quality part. And they fit. Oh, feels like she wants to. I think it might be flooded already. Also wonder if my idle is up high enough. There's a couple. It's a little thumb screw on the right side. Come on, baby. Maybe the idle was the issue. Little choke. Come on. Okay. All right, we phone defend, and we're gonna try this again. And turns out I did leave the gas off, I think. So hopefully this will do it. I'm gonna leave that down. Basically what he said was choke. Ignition off. Five, 6 times. Pretty close to top dead center. He said just kick it till it's started. Let's see. that sounded really good, and it was really responsive. Turning the choke off might have not been the right idea. Oop. Smells like paint. Wow. Killed itself on the way in. Don't love that, but I think this is the first time it's running in a few years, so I'll give it a little bit of a grace. All right, guys, that is a wrap on my 600 build. This thing was a ton of fun, and I'll tell you this right now, it absolutely rips. I've taken it out a couple times since the video where I took you guys with me, and every time it's like kicks over first start. I don't know what it is. I've maybe got the starting procedure down. If you don't know, this is my 1983 XL600R. I took it all the way down to the bare frame, got it powder coated, painted the motor. I put on some new plastics. This right here is actually an XR500R rear fender. I did that because I could delete all the weird brake light and license plate stuff down here, because this is a street legal bike, and I'll just put the plate up here. Beyond that, I'm going to take it out this weekend with my buddy who just finished his Yamaha Banshee, and we're going to see how it stacks up. That'll likely be like 1 or 2 videos from now. Sorry. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me build the channel, and it also gives me some good feedback to see what you guys like, don't like. Thanks, guys.